In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your work experience on LinkedIn. This is a great option if you want more privacy, you're refining your profile, or you simply don't want your job history to appear publicly in search results. We'll do everything right inside the LinkedIn app, and I'll guide you through each screen so it's simple and clear. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your device and make sure you're signed in. On the top left corner, tap your profile icon to open your account menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where LinkedIn keeps all of your account, privacy, and visibility controls, so it's the best place to manage how your profile appears to others. If your app layout looks slightly different, don't worry, LinkedIn updates interfaces from time to time, but the options are the same. Once you're in Settings, select the section labeled Visibility. Think of this area as your control center for who can see your information and how it appears beyond your immediate network. It's especially helpful if you want to tighten how your profile shows up to people who aren't connected to you or to visitors who find you through a search engine. On the visibility page, tap Edit Your Public Profile. Depending on your device, this may open a built-in web view or your default browser. That's normal. This page specifically manages what people see when they view your public profile, such as through a search engine or without being logged into LinkedIn. It's different from what your connections see when they're signed in. Now scroll slightly until you find the controls for your profile's public visibility. You'll notice a main switch that can turn your entire public profile on or off. If you turn that off, your profile won't appear publicly at all. But since we're only focusing on your work experience, leave the main switch on and instead locate the toggles for your experience section. Turn off current experience and turn off past experience. This hides your job history from your public-facing profile while still allowing you to use LinkedIn normally and keep other sections visible if you want. Give the page a moment to update. LinkedIn usually saves these changes automatically. Keep in mind, this adjustment affects what non-logged-in visitors and search engines can see. People signed into LinkedIn may still see your experience depending on other visibility settings, but your public profile will no longer display your work history. And that's how to hide experience on LinkedIn Mobile. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching.